Most people save for retirement without knowing one critical number: how much they actually need. It's easy to assume you're doing fine until you run the numbers. In this video, we'll walk through how to use Western and Southern's retirement savings calculator to estimate how much you may need to retire, see whether your current savings strategy lines up with that goal, and identify adjustments that could help close any gaps. At its core, this retirement calculator is designed to answer one big question: are your current savings enough to support the retirement you're planning for? By factoring in things like your age, income, savings, inflation, and expected investment returns, the calculator estimates how long your money may last in retirement and whether additional savings could be needed. It's a practical starting point for evaluating your overall retirement strategy. Getting started is straightforward. The calculator asks for just 5 key details: your current age, your planned retirement age, your total annual household income, your current retirement savings balance, and how much you save each year for retirement. These inputs create a baseline snapshot of where you are today and how much time your savings have to grow before retirement. For a more personalized estimate, the calculator includes advanced settings. This is where you can account for things like marital status, expected years in retirement, pension income, and whether Social Security should be included. You can also adjust assumptions such as inflation, how much of your working income you want to replace in retirement, and investment returns before and after retirement. These variables help refine the projection so it better reflects real-world conditions. Once you calculate your results, the tool shows 3 key numbers: the total retirement savings you may need, how much you should be saving per month, and how that compares to what you're currently saving. If there's a shortfall, the calculator clearly shows the additional monthly savings needed to help close the gap. This comparison helps turn abstract goals into concrete action steps. Several factors influence whether retirement savings hold up over time. Retiring earlier means savings must last longer. Spending habits, inflation, market performance, and unexpected expenses can all affect outcomes. The calculator also highlights the role of pensions and Social Security as supplemental income sources, which may reduce pressure on personal savings. One of the most valuable features of this calculator is the ability to test different scenarios. You can see how retiring later, saving more each year, or changing investment return assumptions might affect your results. This flexibility helps you understand trade-offs and prepare for uncertainty rather than relying on a single projection. The retirement savings calculator isn't about predicting the future. It's about clarity. It shows where you stand today and what adjustments may support your long-term goals. To explore your numbers and run your own scenarios, visit westernsouthern.com and try the retirement savings calculator today.